Two awaiting trial prisoners have escaped from the South Gauteng High Court. Police have confirmed that Mongezi, Mcunukelwa and Sbonelo, Nkosingiphe are on the run. Mcunukelwa is alleged to be a serial killer. A police spokesperson, Masondo, joins us now for more. Good evening, Mr. Masondo. Thanks for your time. Firstly, how did these prisoners manage to escape?
Yes, we started with our investigation to determine how they escaped. We are viewing the CCTV footage, and we can confirm that these are very dangerous suspects. They were facing, Mongezi was facing 2 charges of murder, and the other one, who is Sbonelo, Nkosingiphe, was facing 2 charges of murder as well as possession of unlawful firearm and ammunition.
So are you saying that at this point you actually don't have an idea of how they managed to escape?
Yes, as I'm saying that we are still obtaining statements from the people that were at the court to determine what exactly happened.
Let's talk about the judges who were at that courtroom at the time. I understand many had to be put on lockdown for their own safety.
All the people that were at court, they were put somewhere for their safety. But what we can confirm at this stage is that no one was injured during the ordeal.
At this point, when you begin the search for them, do you have any leads about where to start looking?
There's no lead at the moment, but we have assembled a team of experienced detectives who have started with the search, and we hope that we will arrest them soon.
And let's talk about one of the suspects is also from Katlehong, and I understand that he had abandoned his bail application in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court yesterday. Is there likelihood that he would go back to that area?
Yes, Mongezi Mcunukelwa is the one that is from Katlehong, and we can confirm that he had other charges that were on him at other courts.
So what can the public do now to assist you, firstly? And of course, I imagine that those that had been part of the victims of crime committed by these suspects would go to bed with some level of anxiety today. What are police going to be doing to protect people?
Yes, I would like to say that these are very dangerous suspects. If then there are people who know their whereabouts, please let them not attempt to apprehend them because they are deemed dangerous. They can call the nearest police station, or they can call our Crime Stop number, which is 08600 10111. With the people that are victims in these cases, we are appealing to them to please call the investigating officers so that we can give them tips on their safety.
All right, so you would want them to get in touch with you?
Yes, with the investigating officers. They've got the telephone numbers of the investigating officers, although our investigating officers will also be contacting them.
All right. Before I let you go, let's talk about the status of that court. Again, it beggars belief that something like this could happen. So what is the status of that particular court going into tomorrow?
Yes, as for now, I must say that everything is back to normal, and the courts that will be going on today, they will go on as planned.
All right, let's leave it there for tonight. Police spokesperson Masondo, two criminals making the run for it at the South Gauteng High Court earlier on.